friends, welcome to UI Infotech channel. For more updates, please subscribe my channel. The last video session we discussed about how to create HTML basics, structure and also HTML editors. Then we discussed about Visual Studio. And last time we created one program also. So we will continue with this program. Let me open this Visual Studio. The last we talked about this Doctype, HTML and HTML structure. In this video session, we will learn what is meant by Doctype HTML and why we write the language attribute. What is meant by meta tag? Why especially we can write charset of 8. All these things. So coming to this Doctype HTML, Doctype HTML is not an HTML tag. One thing you can keep in your mind, that is this Doctype HTML is not a HTML tag. It is a version of HTML, version of HTML file. So why we can write this Doctype HTML means for the browser understanding purpose. Suppose user can use any type of browsers. User can use Chrome, user can use Mozilla Firefox, user can use Internet Explorer. For browser understanding purpose, we can write this Doctype HTML. And also it states the version of HTML. So HTML is a DTD language. The DTD stands for Document Type Declaration. Document Type Declaration. It is a document file. Browser can understand the document. That's what we can write down Doctype HTML. So that is the reason we write Doctype HTML. And also it states the version, new version of HTML. In the ancient, we have HTML form, we have strict DTD, loosely DTD. This we can mention inside of in the doc. So HTML5 very easy to write Doctype HTML. And go to this Visual Studio. So that's about this Doctype HTML. And coming to this lang en. So this lang equal to en. Lang means language attribute. Language means the document is written in which format, either in the English format, either in the different languages. So it states that, it tells that the document is written in which type, which format. That's why we can mention lang en. En stands for English. So in this en, we can also write INDEN. INDEN means Indian English. Why? INDEN we can write INDEN we can write here, right? Here we have a small story. Story means like in India, first spelling is COLOUR, whereas in America, COLOR. So by default, this software will support American English only. HTML will always support COLOR or COLOUR. So if you want to write these things, you need to mention this language attribute, lang INDEN. Not only this one, we have ENGB. ENGB means it says that Great Britain. Great Britain. Like this. Like this, we can mention this language attribute in HTML. It tells that language will be written in which format, and the document will be written in which format. And next we have this meta charset. Meta charset. So in this charset we will write meta. So meta means meta tag. Meta means it gives the extra information about an web page. So meta tags are very much useful for SEO search engine optimization. So we can search websites in the Google. So such related things will be shown in the top position. That using these meta tags. In these meta tags, we have keyboard, author, and we have UI compatible versions like Edge, and we have some different nearly 8 tags will be present in this meta tags. And in this meta, we can mention this charset UTF-8. Charset UTF-8. This charset means character set. Like we have a different characters here. So ABCD like Indian, and if you take any of the Japanese, Greeks, Chinese. So each and every have different types of characters. So we can mention this UTF-8. Here UTF stands for uniform transformation format. So Unicode transformation format. So this Unicode transformation format, we can mention 8-bit here. Why? Because so it is a universal truth. 1 byte equal to 8 bits. 1 byte equal to 8 bits. So we are setting down 8-bit format for each and every character. For this reason, each and every character will support this HTML. So it will support Japanese, it will support Chinese, it will support Greek, it will support India. Like each and every character will support. That's why we can mention UTF-8 here. UTF-8 stands for Unicode transformation format. So we can mention UTF-8 means it will support all the characters. That means 1 byte equal to 8 bits. So we have 16 is there, 32 is there, 64 is there. But we use 8 characters. That means we are setting the equal for each and every character. That's why we can write that's a UTF-8 in the HTML. So next, go to this Visual Studio. So that is the meaning for this one. So Doctype HTML in order to state the version of HTML. And also it tells the browser that we are writing a document file. Language attribute tells in which language will be written in the document, either in English, either in Indian English or Great Britain. And meta means it gives the extra information about an web page. So it gives it is used for the search engine optimization. And charset means character set. We are setting the character set for 8-bit format. UTF-8 stands for Unicode transformation format, and we are setting 8-bit format for all the characters. And coming to the title. Title gives the title of your document. So I'll just run this one program on the browser. Right click on this one. See here, to run this program, we need to download this one. We need to download this one. Click on this 4 boxes, extensions, and here you can type opening browser. Opening browser. Just install this one. And opening default browser. You can also install this one. See, it will be installed. Now, right click on this one, opening other browsers. Just close this one, right click, opening other browsers. You can select this Google Chrome here. Now look at this one. We created this. We created the program. So this is the first web page. We created this one. The title will be appear in the top of the page. If you hover on this one here, now get this document. So this is the title. Title will appear on the top bar itself. That's about this basic structure and Doctype HTML, meta tag, and language tag. The next question will see HTML elements and HTML